Hello. So we are in Angkyo Reservoir. So
Tama ba ang pronunciation?
ng reservoir. but, but the Angkyo, I'm not sure. Tatanggalin mo na to ah.
So nandito lang kami
Kasi nababa
tatambay.
ang turn.
Nandito lang kami to tambay, to sunset watch, to people watch. So para masulit, nagdala na lang kami ng drinks. Bumili kami from 7-Eleven, itong protein shake. Not sponsored, of course. Meiji, high protein, thank you. And isang Thai snack, Thai chicheria. Wala kaming alam kung maanghang ba to, masarap ba to, but okay, open this please. Taste test.
Oh, hindi maanghang.
Shut up.
Mm. Mhm.
Bilis niyang matunaw. Ang
Ano?
light lang niya.
Ang airy, parang kapag kagat mo, and then konting nguya, nag-melt siya.
Actually, wala naman din masyadong magagawa here. May cafe near, it's called Living a Dream. Living in a Dream.
How do you like the name? Living a dream cat. That's cute.
Tapos kaharap mo ganito.
Mm.
Wow. Actually, madami nag-jogging, maraming nag-meditate, nag-read ng books. So, ayun. Actually, wala naman. Chill lang talaga tong segment na to, itong part ng vlog na to. Gusto lang namin matry to visit this lake and park and to see what's up, what's here,
What's up?
what's in
What's
here,
here?
what's
And
here.
what's more in Chiang Mai?
Yeah.
And it's living the vibe of being here in Chiang Mai, laid back, compared to other destinations in Thailand that we've been into, na very vibrant, colorful, active, and everyone's everywhere. Here, just people working out, going around, and nakakatuwa yung tourist, pinag-usapan namin kanina how 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 supportive they are para sa mga magagandang shots, which we also try to do with each other. So as you can see, the vlog. Okay na, ayoko na. Ang dami kong sasabihin dapat. Pinutol ka na ah. See? Natututo ako dun sa gusto mong ano.
Pero yung putol mo kasi abrupt, parang ako naman, wag na yung, hindi ko tuloy alam kung saan ko ikakat. Bigla ka na lang nag-cut. Anyway, here's a montage of video montage of this area. In 3, 2, 1. Dito na po tayo sa kalimutan mo. Ilalagay ko lang naman dito.